Kannada actress Rania Rao's arrest in gold smuggling case sparks political storm. Hi, my name is Neha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. The arrest of Kannada actress Rania Rao in a major gold smuggling case is now taking a political turn, as reports suggest the involvement of a prominent politician. According to reports, investigators have expanded their probe to a high-end jewelry boutique in Bengaluru's central business district. The seized ornaments were allegedly procured from this boutique, with preliminary findings indicating that they were purchased on behalf of a prominent politician. Authorities are now tracing payment routes to establish direct links to the case. Now let me tell you the key findings in the Rania Rao gold smuggling case. Number 1. Frequent Dubai trips and smuggling modus operandi. Rania Rao, who has acted in 3 films, reportedly travelled to Dubai 30 times in the past year. She allegedly smuggled large amounts of gold on each trip, earning 1 lakh per kg transported. Investigators estimate that she earned rupees 12 to 13 lakhs per trip through smuggling. The actress used modified jackets and waist belts to evade security checks at airports. Airport security compromise. Authorities had placed Rania Rao under surveillance due to her frequent Dubai visits. A police constable at the airport allegedly assisted her in bypassing security checks. This suggests deeper involvement of law enforcement officials in smuggling network. Larger smuggling nexus uncovered. Investigators suspect that Rania Rao was linked to an organized gold smuggling syndicate, possibly involving politicians, businessmen and even police officers. The Directorate of Revenue Intelligence (DRI) has recovered 17.3 crore worth of gold and cash in connection with this case. This is one of the biggest gold seizures from an airport passenger in recent times. With political links now emerging, the case has now taken a new turn, raising concerns about high-profile involvement in illegal gold smuggling. Authorities continue to trace financial transactions to uncover the full extent of the smuggling operation, which is expected to have far-reaching implications. What is your take on the story and how do you all look at the situation? Share your inputs with us in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Free Press Journal. Thank you for watching.